In the previous lecture, we have discussed the questions of the chapter 5, that is contingent differentiability related to the second order derivative, and some of the questions of the miscellaneous exercise. Today we are discussing more of the questions of this exercise. Let us see the question number 6 of the miscellaneous on the page number 191. It is, we have to find the differentiation of cot inverse 1 plus sin x in a square root plus 1 minus sin x in a square root upon 1 plus sin x minus 1 minus sin x. Whenever we have 1 plus sin x or 1 minus sin x, we have to apply the identity related with the sin and cos. For the 1 के लिए identity apply करें यहाँ पर कौन सी, sin square theta plus cos square theta. I am saying theta but I am writing here x by 2. हम यहाँ पर क्या लिख रहे हैं, x by 2. Now sin x is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 1 की जगह हमने क्या लगाया, sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2. In the place of sin x, we have applied the formula for the sin 2x, that is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Further, same is here, it is sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Same in the denominator, that is sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 minus square root of sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So cot of inverse, which is sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square. It is sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 whole square. In the denominator, sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square, and it is again sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 whole square in a square root. Removing the square root, we have here cot inverse sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2. Here it is sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2. In denominator, sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2. Cancelling it, it is cot inverse 2 sin x by 2 2 cos x by 2. It is cot inverse 10x by 2. Now cot inverse cos theta is theta here, but here we have 10. So we have to change this 10 in the form of the cot. It is cot inverse cot pi by 2 minus theta. So in the simplified form, it is pi by 2 minus x by 2. Let us take this as y. Let y is equal to pi by 2 minus x by 2. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, dy by dx. It is 0 because it is constant, and minus 1 by 2. So dy by dx is here minus 1 by 2. If we see the question number 11, we have to find the differentiation of x to the power x square minus 3 plus x minus 3 to the power x square. Let us take it equal to y. Let us assume, let say u is equal to x to the power x square minus 3. V is equal to x minus 3 to the power x square. Now you can see in the u and v, we have the function of the form x to the power x. x की power में x का function पड़ा. ऐसे cases के अंदर, in this cases, we have to take log on the both sides. Therefore, you can write y is equal to u plus e, differentiating both sides with respect to x. dy over dx is equal to du over dx plus dv over dx. Call it as first. नाउ u इज इक्वल टू x टू द पावर x स्क्वायर माइनस 3, x की पावर में x है यहाँ पर, तो क्या करेंगे हम, टेकिंग लॉग ऑन बोथ साइड, इट इज log of u, log of x to the power x square minus 3, log of u x square minus 3, log of x. There are two functions, so differentiating both sides with respect to x, it's 1 upon u, log u का क्या होगा, that is 1 upon u, and for the u it is du over dx, x square minus 3 और log x का कितना होगा, 1 upon x, du over dx is equal to u x square minus 3 upon x, placing the value of u here, du over dx, u क्या है यहाँ पर, x to the power x square minus 3, x square minus 3 upon x. Now v is here x minus 3 upon the power x square, taking log on both sides, taking log on both sides, it becomes log of v x square log x minus 3. Again there are two functions, differentiating both sides with respect to x, 1 upon v dv over dx x square 1 upon x minus 3, log x minus 3 is 1 upon x minus 3, and for x minus 3 it is 1, plus log of x minus 3 into 2x. So you can write it as x square upon x minus 3 plus 2x into log x minus 3 into v, which is equal to dv over dx. The value of v is x minus 3 to the power x square, remain as it is, placing the value of du over dx and dv over dx in this first. So by first it becomes dy over dx, du over dx is x to the power x square minus 3, x square minus 3 upon x plus x minus 3 to the power x square upon x minus 3 plus 2x log x minus 3, right? See the question number 14 of the exercise. In the question number 14, it is given to us x to the x into square root of 1 plus y square root of 1 plus x is equal to 0. We have to prove that dy over dx minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now we are seeing in this expression that we want the result only in the term of the x, we don't want any y here. So we have to arrange the terms in such a way that y must be on the one side and the terms containing x must be on the other side. For this, now since x root 1 plus y root 1 plus x is equal to 0, or you can write x root 1 plus y is equal to minus y root 1 plus x, squaring both sides, it's x square 1 plus y square 1 plus x square plus x square y square plus xy square, x square y minus xy square is equal to y square minus x square, xy is common, x minus y minus x plus y, cancelling x minus y on the both sides, we get here minus 1, or you can take minus 1 as common here. It is xy is equal to minus x minus y. Now taking y terms on the one side, xy plus y is equal to minus x, yx plus 1 is equal to minus x, y is equal to minus x upon x plus 1. Now we have the expression that y is on the one side and x term with x on the other side. This is known as a variable separable. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, it is dy over dx. Applying the quotient rule, minus x plus 1 into 1 minus x into 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. X get cancelled here, minus x plus 1 minus x, 1 plus x whole square in the denominator, minus 1 upon 1 plus x whole square. That we have to prove here. यही हमें प्रूव करना था यहाँ पर, ठीक है. तो यहाँ लिख सकते हैं आप हैंस प्रूव. Let me see the question number 15. In the question number 15, so again a very important question. It is given that x minus a whole square y minus b whole square is equal to c square. We have to show that 1 plus dy upon dx whole square to the power 3 by 2 upon d square y upon dx square is independent, is constant एंड इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ ए एंड बी. ए और बी इसमें नहीं आएगा सॉल्व करने पर. नाउ सिंस एक्स माइनस ए होल स्क्वायर प्लस वाई माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर, ए बी सी तीनों कैसे हैं यहाँ पर कांस्टेंट हैं. नाउ डिफरेंशिएटिंग बोथ साइड विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स, इट्स 2x माइनस ए, एक्स माइनस ए की पावर 2 है तो पहले पावर के हिसाब से क्या आएगा, ट्वाइस ऑफ एक्स माइनस ए और फिर एक्स माइनस ए का 1 टू वाई माइनस बी और फिर वाई का आएगा डी वाई बाई डी एक्स एंड इट 0. टेकिंग 2x कॉमन और वी कैन से डिवाइडिंग बोथ साइड बाई 2, वी गेट इट 0. डी वाई बाई डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस एक्स माइनस ए अपॉन वाई माइनस बी. इसको ऐसे लिख लेते हैं. Now differentiating both sides again, differentiating both sides with respect to x, it becomes d square y upon dx square minus y minus b x minus a is 1 minus x minus a y minus b, differentiation of y becomes dy by dx upon y minus b whole square. Now y minus b minus x minus a, y minus b becomes here dy by dx, यहाँ नहीं आएगा. तो प्रेजेंट वैल्यू ऑफ dy by dx वैल्यू कितनी थी, माइनस एक्स माइनस ए अपॉन वाई माइनस बी. वैल्यू को यहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं. Here using first कह लेते हैं. Now minus y minus b whole square plus x minus a whole square upon y minus b. डिनोमिनेटर में क्या है, y minus b whole square. y minus b whole square x minus a whole square ऑलरेडी क्या है, c स्क्वायर के इक्वल है, तो c स्क्वायर लिख देते हैं. माइनस c स्क्वायर अपॉन y minus b टू द पावर 3 मल्टीप्लाई होकर. हमें प्रूव करना है, हालांकि ये कांस्टेंट है. नाउ सिंस 1 प्लस डी वाई बाई डी एक्स होल स्क्वायर टू द पावर 3 by 2 अपॉन डी स्क्वायर वाई अपॉन डी एक्स स्क्वायर. ठीक, पहले इसको रखेंगे यहाँ पर, मैं थोड़ा देर से रब करूँगा. प्लेसिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ dy बाई dx कितनी थी, माइनस एक्स माइनस ए अपॉन वाई माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर द पावर 3/2, then d square y upon dx square, it's minus c square y minus b the whole power 3. It becomes 1 plus x minus a whole square y minus b whole square to the power 3/2 minus c square y minus b whole cube. Y minus b whole square, x minus a whole square, y minus b whole square to the power 3/2 y minus c square upon y minus b whole cube in the denominator. ये फिर से हमारे पास c स्क्वायर है, याद रख सकते हैं इसको फर्स्ट कह लेते हैं, इसको सेकंड कह लीजिए. हाँ अभी हम कह देते हैं सेकंड. ठीक है, यहाँ आपने फर्स्ट का यूज़ किया तो ये कहेंगे यूजिंग फर्स्ट. So it will be c square upon y minus b whole square 3/2 minus c square y minus b whole cube. Opening it we get c to the power 3 y minus b to the power 3 because 2 multiplied with 3/2 gives you 3. यहाँ पे भी क्या आ जाएगा 3 upon minus c square upon y minus b whole cube. Get cancelled. c स्क्वायर कैंसल, माइनस सी और माइनस सी कैसा है कांस्टेंट, और ए और बी भी नहीं आ रहा है, हमें शो करता है कि इज कांस्टेंट एंड इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ ए एंड बी. तो लिख देंगे विच इज कांस्टेंट एंड इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ ए एंड. So you have to do the all questions of this miscellaneous exercise. Clear? We will discuss our next topic with you in the next lecture, that is the application of the derivatives. You must complete your work. Thank you.